got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
I need a beat I can go off on.
These niggas be capped. Super capped. Came in the door with this shit. Yeah. Long money, little nigga. I'm thinking about ownership. Racks. Blind to the bullshit, call me right. My location is the bank, that's where I stay.
Yes,
Man,
sir.
you demo all day and this thing got about. It ain't getting hot. It ain't getting hot or nothing, is it?
I know how to play my music.
Hey man.
I'm trying to tell you.
Oh, you
everybody
play
be like,
it?
shit, boom.
Hey,
Like,
hey, you
no.
playing all day long.
Mhm.
You can walk off from this and play
Yeah, I
again.
can walk all around, goddamn, and play this shit all day long with no
What
problem.
you running here, man?
4 Virginia Sound Platinum 15s on 2 MD12K.
Yes, sir. What can they find you on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere?
Facebook, it'd be Archie King Wop Jr. Instagram be King__Wop.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow. Appreciate it, bro.
Yo.
Yeah, this thing put together, bro. Anytime you can play that long, you did something right. I'm telling you, it was good seeing you, bro. You still rolling? Yeah, you still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell him.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.